important point, I just forgot to highlight. Okay, for tourists especially, Singapore has a provision of GST refund. If you are
Yeah.
doing a shopping at any center, Hanifa, Mustafa, or any other center, and if your bill is crossing $100,
And
you can claim that GST and get that GST amount refunded at the airport after
yeah.
the immigration counter. Okay. So the process is that whenever at any store you are purchasing anything which is crossing $100, you can ask the merchant or ask the store person to say that I am a tourist and I want to get refund my GST at the airport. You please file it. They have
Yeah.
a online portal where that the store people will register your passport under your name,
Passport.
GST amount. Okay, they will refund it to the system. You will get a bill amount against your passport. And when you come back to the flight at the airport, when you check in,
Yes.
at that they have a GST refund counter. You go there,
Yeah.
you show them, you claim that, and you will get the money back
Yeah.
against your passport. Okay, so just if you're doing any shopping more than $100 at one place, you just keep the bill and get it registered to your passport so you can get a refund. So I got it luckily some $7 to $8 back. So okay,
Nice.
yeah. So I
But
purchased
then you have to
something.
keep in mind, ऐसा नहीं है कि
Yes.
you can get it processed afterwards. Whenever you have to look out for that counter, I guess, because
So no, it's
in
quite
Dubai also it's
visible.
the same.
There is a
Yeah.
big sign of GST refund, so it's
Yeah.
quite visible.
Correct. Correct.
Now,
Nice.
from a direction point of view, from the easiness point of view for tourists, I think that airport, everything, that whole country is so easy to navigate. Even if you do
Correct.
not understand anything, you do not understand the language, even you will navigate easily. The
Correct.
signs are very, very clear. Even for
Correct.
GST refund, also there is a self DIY kiosk was there. Only a man was roaming around, walking around, do this, do that. I have to
Nice.
claim it by myself against my passport. I have to go to the counter, get a refund by myself. That's it. It was so simple.
Nice.
No bheed, no dhakka mukki, nothing is there. It was so simple. Okay.